Welcome to JCE Connect. We are discussing highway engineering, lecture number 2.6. In today's class, we'll discuss what is side distance and its importance, restrictions to side distance, and types of side distances. So this side distance, in simple terms, it is also known as visibility to the driver. What is how much it is visible? It is the length of road ahead. Length of road ahead to the driver at any instance is known as sight distance, and its importance is for safe and efficient operation of vehicles. This sight distance or visibility is important. It is measured along the length of the road surface between the driver and the whatever object. Next comes, that is, restrictions to this sight distance. Restriction to sight distance or visibility. So when we see here, it is categorized as first, that is at horizontal curve. So when we are on a horizontal curve, center line of the road, suppose this one vehicle is going this direction, up direction, and down direction one more vehicle is coming. So in this horizontal curve, if any structure is there in between, this driver's visibility is restricted because of this obstruction. The sharp curve is there, then the visibility will be less. So that's why we observe number of accidents occurring in hill areas where the length of the curve, horizontal curve, is less. Second one is at vertical curves. At vertical curves, that is line of sight. Suppose if I am taking this as a vertical curve and a vehicle is moving in that direction and another vehicle is coming. So this vehicle is moving. So line of sight, when a driver is trying to see this road, here the distance is limited because of the convexity is upwards, so this side distance is limited, especially in summit curves, vertical curves. You can see this. So that's why in some roads you'll observe a sudden vehicle is observed, because this sight distance is restricted. And the third one is at an uncontrolled intersection. In uncontrolled intersection, suppose if you are taking a four-legged intersection, a vehicle is coming. Vehicles are coming. Then if another vehicle is coming from the crossroad, if any compound wall or a number of trees, or a building is there, then his visibility or sight distance is restricted in this uncontrolled intersection. Next we'll see the types of sight distances. For geometric design of highways, you see that is classified as stopping sight distance, it is SSD, stopping sight distance, or absolute minimum sight distance, absolute minimum sight distance. Next is overtaking sight distance, it is also known as passing sight distance. Next is sight distance for entering into an uncontrolled intersection. Uncontrolled intersection. So along with these above types of sight distances, IRC considers another two types of sight distances. So that is intermediate sight distance. This is generally provided when it's not possible to provide an overtaking sight distance. When it is not possible to provide overtaking sight distance, so then we provide the intermediate sight distance, which is equal to 2 times stopping sight distance. Also, a headlight sight distance. So this headlight sight distance is whenever we are coming across any up gradient during night time, the visibility is less. So when your up gradient is there, then if the gradient is more, the visibility will be less. It is inversely proportional. So similarly, we can see when you are coming a down gradient, then the visibility will be more. Visibility will be more. So whenever you are coming across up gradient or ascending gradient, we come across headlight sight distance.